Fire safety is a critical responsibility that each of us holds, not only to protect ourselves, but also those around us and our properties. The impact of fire can be devastating, leading to loss of life, severe injuries, and extensive damage to homes and communities. However, with proper knowledge and precautions, most fire-related incidents can be prevented. Firstly, it's imperative to maintain smoke detectors in all critical areas of your home, including bedrooms, kitchens, and hallways. These devices provide an early warning that can save lives. Test them monthly and replace batteries at least once a year, or consider installing 10-year sealed battery smoke alarms for longer-lasting protection. Secondly, establish and practice a home fire escape plan with your family. Ensure that everyone knows at least 2 exits from each room and a meeting point outside your home. Practicing this plan regularly can make a significant difference in an emergency. In the kitchen, where many fires start, never leave cooking unattended and keep flammable objects, such as paper towels and curtains, away from stoves and ovens. Additionally, be cautious with electrical appliances throughout your home. Avoid overloading sockets and inspect cords for damage to prevent electrical fires. Fire extinguishers can be a critical tool in stopping a fire from spreading. Ensure you have at least one fire extinguisher in your home, familiarize yourself with its operation, and keep it in an accessible location. Lastly, educate children about the dangers of fire and the importance of not playing with matches, lighters, and other ignition sources. Encouraging awareness and respect for fire from a young age can foster a lifetime of safety-minded behavior. Remember, your actions can significantly reduce the risk of fire in your home. Let's all commit to taking these steps seriously and being cautious with fire. Together, we can protect our families, our homes, and our communities from the devastating effects of fire.